Wow, there is uncertainty about language in the recently approved state budget that bans local health officials from mandating masks in schools.
A spokesperson says the governor's office is reviewing that language, and it's not clear whether the governor will veto that part of the budget.
Two Ottawa County Republicans are among those who want to take the power to mandate masks away from local health departments. 13 on your side, Ottawa County reporter Keely Lovern spoke with one of them.
I am not against masks. I am not against vaccines. I am against mandates.
Republican Luke Meerman represents Michigan's 88th district. He's now showing his support for parents who want to sue Ottawa County to legally overturn the mask mandate for young students.
This isn't right that a health director on their own can decide something that's significant. And I don't think the law allows for that. And I'm glad that this lawsuit is going out of its way. And the purpose of it is to prove just that.
I asked Representative Meerman what he would say to his constituents that do support the health orders because they may have immunocompromised children or family members.
We need to deal with those kind of things as best we can, but a broad blanket statement saying, all must wear masks is an overstep.
I also asked him about the power of the county commissioners because they have been the target of frustrated parents, but it's been proven that they don't have the authority to overturn any decision made by the health department.
In answer to the first question about the county commissioners saying we don't have authority, I honestly think they're listening to the wrong corporate counsel.
Here's what Ottawa County's attorney Doug Van Essen had to say in response. Quote, neither Representative Meerman nor Senator Victory are members of the Michigan Bar, and so they are totally incompetent to provide legal analysis, which may explain why neither has said anything to me when they have had the chance. To say they are all over the map and have no appreciation for the rule of law and standards of good government is the understatement of the year.
Well, I think everyone's kind of using their own science on both sides. I think you only read what you want to know, what you think already. And that's not good. It's not good for our nation. It's not good for our communities.
Representative Meerman is also calling for the threats against county and local officials to end.
But the idea that the county commissioners were receiving death threats, that's extremely counterproductive. That is not going to help make your case. I think this lawsuit will be successful. But if for some reason it's not, then it's on me as a legislature to do whatever I can in Lansing to bring that people's voice back to the table.
Now, 13 on your side will, of course, continue to follow this story and how it relates to the approved budget from the governor's office this afternoon. And you can read more of what both Representative Meerman and Mr. Van Essen had to say right now at 13onyourside.com.